So here's the canteen that I bought, and I think, as I said earlier, that I bought it because it reminded me of the canteens that we used to take hunting. They're like World War II GI canteens. They were pretty similar. Those are, I think, 32 ounces, and the nozzle is kind of more like a water bottle. This one is a wide mouth, and I think the purpose for that was so that like if you were, out hiking or something and there was a stream, you could just easily fill it up from the wide mouth. Let's see if I can get that off. So yeah, it's pretty wide. It's about 40 ounces. The other thing too is it's almost identical to the GI. They had a little canteen cup that it nestled into. And this one it's like a stove. You would just feed the fire underneath here and set it on like that. Maybe next time that's how I'll do it, but I didn't know how much wood was going to be here or if it was going to be dry enough. But yeah, so kind of dig that. Had to get rid of the old GI because they were so old and they were getting all corroded inside. So yeah, I replaced it with this. I've ever used the canteen cup to cook in. So I thought I would do a video today about doing some canteen cup cooking, and we're gonna have some asparagus, and we're gonna have this. This is chicken. It's what is it? Survival cave food. It's supposed to be good for like 25 years. So I thought we would cook that up and try it today. So we're gonna have that with, as I said, asparagus, and thought I'd cut up some celery. Good knife. Let's steam up the celery. It was full. I put it in the car and it was sideways, and most of it leaked out in my car. So I think either didn't have this lid on tight enough, or it's just not a very good lid. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on it. Probably heat up faster. Alright, we'll check on that in about 10 minutes. Alright, we're going to go ahead and see. I think this is the first time I've used this one. I've used these before. They work pretty good. Yeah, this is going to work beautiful. Looks like. Kind of smells like tuna. Oh boy, I think that's got a lot of salt in it too. Let's see. I don't see it. Oh, 150? Yeah, that's not that much. Oh shoot, I just spilled it. Damn. I think that's boiling. Oh yeah, geez, that went to a boiling quick. Look at that. Yeah, I don't know about that, but let's put it in there. let that cook down. Then we got a secret ingredient right here. I'm not going to show you yet, but I think it's going to spice it up. When I was a kid, we used to go hunting over by the Salton Sea in Palm Springs, and so it was a hot desert, and you need to bring in your own water. And my dad got a bunch of like these old World War II GI canteens with Canteen cup, and we carried those around with belt and everything. And then some of my buddies saw that I had one, so you know, back in those days you'd get them at the swap meet, you know, or a garage sale for 50 cents. And my buddies, we all got one, and pretty soon we're going around the neighborhood wearing our GI canteens. But anyway, I bought this because it reminded me of that, but that whole time I never used the cup, never cooked anything out of it, and thought I would do a video about it. Good thing too is the cup, this is hot, but the candle never gets hot. Wow, that's not bad. The only bad thing is that it doesn't fit very well on this stove. Kind of got to balance it out. Got these Boy Scout utensils. It's pretty good. These are high quality, and they kind of nestle together just like this. Can figure it out. Yeah, there we go. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. And it's got a little, I think it's vinyl, little vinyl case, but it's a nice, neat little kit. I think that's ready. I'm going to turn that off. And for the secret ingredient, the end, and this stuff is hot. I make spaghetti or even a soup broth. I just put like a teeny tiny bit in that pot, and it's the whole soup or the spaghetti sauce or whatever it is I'm making. It's pretty spicy. This is some good stuff, but it is hot, so you gotta be careful. So I don't know how much I want to put in though. So probably literally about that much is good enough. Hot. Well, it's pretty good. It is gorgeous out here today. Just enjoying a little bit of Canteen cup cooking. scare me, doggy. No, he scared me. I just saw like this furry thing right beside me. It scared me to death. That kind of made my day.
We just saw a very large smallmouth bass, like right up.
Yeah.
On the door. Did you see that one?
I didn't see that one, but I scare. They just come right up to you. They're not afraid or anything. Yeah.
It's the first time I've ever seen it.
Yeah, yeah, me too. This is the first year.
We thought he was sick, but
Yeah, no. There's some guys over there fishing, so I know they see him too. Yeah.
We gotta get the poles out.
You too. Have a good weekend. This is the survival food. I have, I don't know, a dozen of these. And it is actually pretty good, pretty tasty. Look at that. All sorts of bugs everywhere. Oh, yeah, so it's called survival cave food. All natural, fully cooked, no water added. Long-term food storage, heat service, and chicken. And these are, what is that? 90 calories? Okay, so 3 servings, that's 3 times 90. That's calories from fat, 15. So not bad. I mean, even the sodium isn't all that much. And look at inspected. How long does this last? I think that this can last for 25 years. I think that's what they said. And they have a little recipe. Maybe I should have made that. Oh, yep, so pretty good stuff. And I still have a bunch left, so I'll probably have them for dinner too. So earlier I spilled a bunch of chicken right here. Actually, it was laying right there. And I was gonna pick it up later, but this dog came. I didn't even hear it or see it or anything. All of a sudden I saw this really fluffy thing, and I didn't know what the heck it was. I looked down and there's this dog, and he's eating all the chicken I spilled. So I don't even have to clean it up. But boy, that made my day, man.